Seems like every piece of vacant land is selling right now, and this is your how-to guide to locate your vacant land.
Okay, first we're going to start off on our website, chicagotitlepro.com, and click on Parcel Viewer. Once Parcel Viewer loads here, we're going to enter in an APN number at the top left. I'm going to enter APN number 0435 016 14 and hit search. That lands on my parcel here with LP Equities Resources. That's my owner, just verifying it. I like to zoom out just a little bit. Then at the top right here, you see that little ruler. I'll click on that. Next, I'll click on the degrees button there. Then I go down to the map and click on the closest road I could see. I'll put that little pin right there. When I put that little green pin there, you'll see the longitude and latitude with that green pin. I'm going to highlight that. Longitude and latitude. Right click and hit look up. And I want it to search the web. When it does that, I'm going to click on Maps, and it takes me straight to Google Maps. When Google Maps loads, it gives me my location and the longitude and latitude where I'm going to that property in question. You can see my turn-by-turn directions here, all the way to the property or almost to the property. And at the top or on your actual Google, you will have a button right there as well that says if you want to send it to your phone, email it, whatever you want to do. In this case, I'm just going to email those directions, and it gives me a link to click on in my email or to your client, turn-by-turn directions to that property. And all we're trying to do is get near or really close to that property. Once we get near that property, then we go to our app, Chicago Title Now. Launch the Chicago Title Now app and log in and click on Map Search. Again, all we need to be is near that property. We click on Map Search and it shows my location in the black dot and the property in question in purple, or wherever you're standing is going to be that purple dot. It's going to be near it. Make sure you tap on that parcel on the purple dot to make sure that is your parcel. So I tap on that purple dot. Looks like my owner. I hit Get Property Profile. That shows up my owner's right there. APN number is correct. That's my parcel. I know that's where I'm at. Now, when I start to walk, that black dot will start to move with me. So as I start to move, look at that black dot moving. I'm going to go to the corner of the parcel to the south of me first, and I just want to see if I could locate a pin. A corner pin is what I'm trying to get to. So as I'm moving, the pin, that black dot is moving as well. I know I'm near that property corner. Looking around right now, I should be within feet. And there it is right there. I could see that pin. I was probably within 10 feet of that parcel corner there. So now I go walking. Now I'm going to look for my southeastern corner of my property in question. I'm walking. That black dot is moving again with me. I zoom in a little bit, see if I could get a little bit closer to that corner on that aerial picture there, and I'm getting pretty close to it now. It moves right on the corner. I know I should be within feet of it. It's usually really, really accurate. Look around a little bit. Sometimes you got to kick some bushes. This one happens to be right in the bush, and this one's a wooden stake. The other one was a metal post. This is a wooden stake. Sometimes they could be wooden, metal, sometimes they're PVC. They call these monuments. Now, if I wanted to, I could go and start walking around all these corners and seeing what I could find. But usually when I get to that corner of the property, and the aerial shows that, I'm usually within feet of that corner. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Let us know if you have any questions.